What is Acrocanthosaurus?
Acrocanthosaurus is a genus of carcharodontosaurid dinosaur that existed in what is now North America during the Aptian and early Albian stages of the Early Cretaceous, from 113 to 110 million years ago. Like most dinosaur genera, Acrocanthosaurus contains only a single species, atokensis.
One of the all-American predators from... where's the DVD? Here it is. You've seen it? You love it. Codenamed as the Great American Predator, and one of the... Well, this guy got his first appearance on Monsters Resurrected, dubbed as a Mega Beast. I've seen this dino in action thousands of times. Hundreds, I meant. You can never disrespect a powerful classic beast. I mean, we're putting the fate of the future on ancient animals. Well, this ancient monster deserves a chance. Alexa, play After the Blackout.
Lego Ninjago, After the Blackout, by Ninjago Music in the Fold, on Amazon Music.
Recognize these claws? They're big enough to rip apart huge chunks of flesh. I've seen it happen, folks. And trust me, you do not want to touch it. Its fossil remains? Well, they're, well, what they call ridiculous. And by that I mean amazing. How did the Great American Predator go through without getting killed? I don't really recall. Here's this small spine on his back, related to a Spinosaurus. Only shoot. There. This is where the eye should be. My bad, folks. Even master designers can create the smallest of mistakes, but not this guy. They are. Ha! Take that. Here's the tail. Come on. Great Scott. I think the spine's not even big enough. There. Choose the game. There. Now we'll just draw this. It's his second leg. My There. There he is. That's how you draw Acrocanthosaurus. One of the best dinos from out of the shadows and into America. Imagine if they brought this dino back to life. Now that's something I want to see. I just really love these guys. It deserves a chance.